Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm here with an interesting video to share for you guys, which is how you can earn free prizes playing games on Wizzo. So Wizzo app is an app designed by MBC2, which helps you play games and you can earn real cash from it. So all you need to do now is to watch this video from beginning to end. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all you need to do is you go to the Play Store and download the Wizzo app. Go to Play Store and download the Wizzo app. So this is Wizzo app. As you can see, I've already installed the Wizzo app. This is the Wizzo app. You can upload your game, you can discover gaming videos, you can win amazing prizes on this same Wizzo app. You can chat and make friends also, and you can also personalize your profile on this same Wizzo app. So if you don't have Wizzo app installed on your phone, you are going to download it. So after you've downloaded the Wizzo app, you go ahead and sign up. If you have not signed up, you go ahead and sign up. So this is my Wizzo app. I already have account with them. I'm going to connect with Facebook. Have an account with them. So I'll just click continue. I'm connecting with them. This is Wizzo app. So this is Wizzo app. So ticket count as chances in the weekly draw. So the more ticket you collect, the more chances you have to win. All tickets are set to 0 every week on Saturday at 20:59 KSA time. So the more tickets you get, the more chances you can win prizes on Wizzo app. So the more you are playing games, you earn points. So once you reach the top 3 winners in the world, you can then be eligible to earn money from Wizzo app, earn money and prizes on this same Wizzo app. Okay. So there is daily lucky box. So every day you claim a daily box. You select. So the more points and gifts you get, the more chances you win prize on this same weekly Wizzo app. There is weekly draw, which is rated top 3 members in the world that get the highest scores and gifts. Then they are eligible for payment for the week, and there is monthly. So for monthly, the more gifts you, the more points you get and gifts, during a game you played on this same Wizzo app, then you can be able to earn money from this same Wizzo app. So as you can see now, the Wizzo has a contest in which you have to download Call of Duty mobile gaming app. So these are the procedures to participate. You have to upload your gameplay of Call of Duty mobile. Use COD mobile in the description of your video. Every approved video enters the draw for $5,000. Videos of players at level 35 plus enter the draw for the car. So for you to win this competition, to win $5,000 or Dodge Charger, you have to follow this procedure. So you go and download Call of Duty. If you follow this procedure, then you will be eligible for the competition. So these are the gamers nearby. If you log in, you see the gamers that are nearby you. If you can see, these are the gamers nearby me. All these people are the gamers nearby. So for you to start getting points from your games, you have to download game through this Wizzo in order to start getting points and gifts that will enable you to earn prizes and cash on this same Wizzo gaming app. So we are going to click on a game and download it on Google Play. So as you can see, I'm downloading this same game. So once the download is done, I'm going to play the game in order to earn points and gifts that will enable me to contest for the top 3 players in the world in order to earn gifts and prizes. So the download is in progress. I'm going to download it. Once the download is finished, I'm going to play the game. So I've already installed for Nanis this game that I download from MBC group. As you can see, it's a game from MBC group. So I'm going to open it. That's a game in here. So as you can see, I've collected 2 tickets for this same game that I installed and I played it. So the more points and tickets that I collect from the games I install through this Wizzo gaming app, the more chances I get to participate in the lucky draw. So this is how the Wizzo app operates. So you can go to the Google Play Store and download the Wizzo gaming app on Google Play. Thank you for watching this interesting video. I hope you keep on watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.